Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Study Time with Vasu. So what new are we gonna learn today? We are gonna learn algebra. You might be thinking it's a hard topic. X, Y, Z, 4, 3, 4x, 3, 2. No, it's an easy topic. Only if you learn it by all your heart. So let's get started and dive deeper into this topic. So, what are the topics that are covered in this video? It is what is algebra, what are variables and what are constants, what is a term, and what are the types of terms. So, let's get started. So, what is algebra? Algebra is a branch of maths that uses letters along with numbers. There are some examples of algebra expressions like 6x, 4xz, x plus 2 and minus 2a. The letters in algebra are often called variables or literals. They do not have a fixed value. Here, the letter x in the 6x is known as a variable or a literal. Over here, xz is known as variable or literal. X plus 2x is known as the variable. And in minus 2a, a is known as the variable. If the variable changes, then the entire number will change. For example, in first example, 6x. X was 3. Then the answer will be 18. But if the value of x changes, like it would be 4, then the answer would be 24. This is how it might change value and the entire number can change. So that because they do not have a fixed value, they have a different value, they can change into any value. Next topic is variables and constant. Variable. So what is a variable? A variable is a symbol that is usually a letter that represents a number whose value can change, like we talked in the last slide, which was like a, x, y, zx and etc. And constant, a number which has a fixed value like 2, 7, minus 3, their value do not change. Like 2 cannot be minus 3 or minus 3 cannot be 7, like that. They have a fixed value, their value will never change. Like in this example, 3x. X is the variable because it can change its value, while 3 is a constant because it can't change its value. If the value of x is changed, then the value of 3x will also be changed. This is a very key important thing which you need to remember. Hope you understood variables and constant properly so that we can move on to the next topic, which is what are terms in algebra. You might be thinking it's a hard topic, but no, we can simplify it. A term is a part of the algebraic expression because it can be a number like 3, minus 7, 44 and etc. It can be a variable like x, y, z and etc. Or it can be a combination of both like 3x, 5y, minus 5y and 2 minus 5y. Let's learn it with some examples. 4 is a term which is a constant. Y is a term which is a variable. 5x is a term which is the product of the constant and variable. 3 by y is a term which is the constant of 3 and y. Hope you understood what are terms in algebraic expressions. So that we can move on to the next topic, which is, so now we are gonna learn what are the types of terms, like terms and unlike terms. The terms that have the same variables are called like terms, and the terms that have a different variable are called unlike terms. Like term examples are 3xy, minus 4xy, xy. You might have noticed all of them have xy as the variable, but in unlike term they are different, like 5x square, 4x square y, and minus 7 y square z. I have made a table to make it easier for you to understand. Like terms and unlike terms table. First example is 3x and 7x. Both of them are same. X here and x here. Then 5a square and 2a square. Both have the same variable. Then minus 6xy and 2xy. Both of them have the same variable, but in unlike term they have a different variable, like 3x and ey. They are different. 4x and 4x square and 2a and 2ab. So that is how it works. Hope you understood all the topics that I have discussed till now properly. And now I'm going to tell you what I have put in my next video of Algebra Part 2. In my next video, I have kept what is algebraic expressions, what are the types of algebraic expressions, and what is a coefficient. Bye guys, see you next time, and do not forget to subscribe and like my channel if you like my videos, and share it with your friends so they also get to know about my channel. Bye guys, see you next time with a new video.